Here you go, girls.
Hunger of the body is but temporary, but the thirst for knowledge is eternal.
Wait a minute. You didn't think I'd notice. I forgot the drinks. Silly me.
I'll be right back.
And bring more sandwiches, please.
And take your time.
Okay, I got it all figured out now.
Onward to sandwiches!
Wow, Blossom. You're looking quite heroic.
More sandwiches, please.
More, please. More, please. More! More.
Can we have more sandwiches, please?
Looks like I'll have to go to the store to get more sandwiches. Any requests?
Blurgy Fertigardum.
You got it.
Oh, man. We gotta figure this thing out.
Yeah, I can't eat any more sandwiches.
Well, there's only one thing left to do.
Robo Blossom evaluating area. Sisters detected.
Huh, phew. She recognized us.
Activating sibling rivalry. What? Why, Blossom? What did we ever do to you? I have been programmed with this function because you did not appreciate Original Blossom for being a level-headed leader.
Oh, yeah.
Also, because Buttercup takes too long in the bathroom. Seriously, what are you doing in there?
Hey, my hair doesn't look like this on its own.
Enough. Who is boring now?
What? Wait! We're really sorry!
Yeah, we should have listened to you about leaving the professor's lab alone and stuff. Analyzing apology. Apology unaccepted.
Ugh, I'll never call Blossom boring again after this.
That is right. I am not boring, nor do I smell like an old shoe.
Well, I mean, are you sure?
Annihilate, annihilate, annihilate. Prepare for your doom.
Girls, what are you doing? Blossom? Is that you?
Professor, look out! Father figure detected. Must obey, must seek approval.
Phew!
Blossom, did you get a new haircut?
Negative.
Then that means you girls were playing in the lab.
We love you.
I hate cleaning.
Yeah, this is the worst punishment ever.
Well, that's what you get for not listening to me.
We're sorry.
That's okay. And just to prove there's no hard feelings, I made you some sandwiches.
What? If I see another sandwich in my life, it'll be too soon.
Did somebody order a sandwich?
Yep, too soon.